sets me off when I come home to my house and I look on the counter and I see cinnamon buns that my daughter made last night with a note. Don't eat. Are you kidding me? Why can't I eat? This is my house. This is my kitchen counter. These are my cinnamon buns. That's my saran wrap you use to cover the cinnamon. That's my memo pad that you use to make the note. That's my pen that you use to write don't eat. It gets better. You open the refrigerator, they got their names on different food. This is Victoria's. This is Michael's. Daddy, do not